There's a moment every woman feels, but almost no man ever notices. It's the moment she looks at you and silently asks herself, can I respect him, or will I end up carrying him? Most men lose that moment without even knowing it, not because they're bad men, but because their boundaries disappear the second they feel something. But when a man holds the right boundaries, something changes in her eyes. Her tone softens, her energy calms, her respect rises fast. If you've ever wondered why some men get respected instantly while others get overlooked, this is the real reason. Today we're talking about something deeper than attraction, something deeper than confidence or charm. We're talking about the quiet standards that make a woman look at you differently, the boundaries that don't shout, don't brag, don't demand, yet they change how she feels around you in a single second. Boundaries aren't walls. They're not there to block love. They're there to protect the man you're becoming. A woman doesn't respect you because you're tough or loud or intense. She respects you because you know who you are, even when emotions rise. She respects you because you don't break your self-worth just to be chosen. She respects you because you choose yourself first, without being selfish and without being scared. In a world where men are told to give everything, lose themselves, and still hope for respect, this video is a reminder of the truth. Respect doesn't come from what you give. It comes from what you refuse to surrender. And today, I'll show you the boundaries that change everything, almost instantly. 1. The boundary of self-worth. There's something people don't tell men enough, and honestly, I wish someone said it earlier to you too. A woman can't respect you if you don't respect yourself first. And I know that sounds like one of those old self-help lines people repeat without thinking, but this thing is deeper than it looks. It shows up in the smallest moments that most men ignore. You ever seen a guy say yes to everything just because he's scared of losing her? Or he keeps bending himself into shapes that don't even fit him, hoping she'll choose him for it. But she doesn't choose him. She gets tired. She loses interest because deep inside, she doesn't feel safe with a man who doesn't choose himself. Self-worth isn't loud, it's quiet. It's the silent way you stand, the way you say no without shaking, the way you don't argue for your price. Women notice that more than anything. They notice when a man lets himself get walked on, even if they're the one doing it. I've said this so many times in coaching sessions, sometimes to men, sometimes to women who feel guilty because they don't respect a man who refuses to respect himself. And it's painful to say out loud, but respect doesn't come from kindness alone. Respect comes from boundaries. A man without boundaries will always be treated like a placeholder, no matter how good his heart is. Imagine you're with a woman and she suddenly gets distant, cold, or she starts testing you without even knowing she's testing you. She pulls back just a little to see if you'll lose your center. And instead of staying calm, instead of staying rooted, you start chasing her energy like a man terrified of being alone. That's when she loses respect. Not because she's cruel, but because your reaction reveals you value her more than you value your own soul. A woman can feel that. She can feel when you need her more than you need your own peace. And that's where the respect fades. A man with self-worth isn't rude. He's not arrogant. He's just grounded. He knows when something doesn't align with him. He knows when a woman's behavior crosses a line. And he doesn't raise his voice. He doesn't fight. He doesn't beg. He simply steps back with calmness that feels almost scary. Women respect that deeply because it shows emotional stability. When a man can say, "This doesn't work for me," without shaking, without chasing, it activates something ancient in a woman's mind, a sense that she's dealing with a man, not a boy who needs praise to breathe. This boundary, the boundary of self-worth, sets the tone for every other boundary in this video. Because without this, nothing else you do will matter. You can talk about standards, communication, masculine energy, whatever. If you don't value yourself first, she won't value you either. A woman can love you, yes, but respect. That comes from your boundaries, not your emotions. 2, the boundary of emotional control. If there's one thing women talk about behind closed doors, it's this. The man who loses himself emotionally loses her respect with it. And I don't mean a man shouldn't feel. You're not a rock, you're human. But what truly pulls a woman toward a man is emotional control, the calmness, the stillness, the ability to stay steady when the moment gets messy. Most men think masculinity is about big actions, big gestures, heavy words, but it's not that. Masculinity is the quiet ability to keep your cool when something tests you. Women feel safest around a man who doesn't spiral. They admire the man who can receive emotional intensity without becoming reactive, the man who listens instead of exploding, the man who doesn't let one argument turn him into a stranger. I see this so often in relationships that break down too early. The man reacts in a moment of anger. He says something harsh. He takes things personally. He tries to win the argument instead of holding the connection. And the woman, even if she forgives him, loses a piece of respect each time. You know why emotional control is such a powerful boundary? Because it shows you're not controlled by the world outside you. You are governed by yourself. A woman sees that and feels safe. She might test you emotionally, sometimes without even knowing she's doing it. She might push a little, raise her voice, pull back, get silent, just to feel if you can hold your ground. And when you stay calm, not cold, not dismissive, just calm and present, she feels something shift inside her. Respect grows. This boundary doesn't mean you walk away from every hard moment. Men who run away from emotions are not strong, they're scared. Emotional control means you allow the emotion without letting it drive your behavior. You speak slower, you think clearer, you breathe deeper, you become a mirror that doesn't shatter at the first hit. A woman respects a man who can feel but doesn't fold, who can listen without attacking, who can disagree without belittling, who can say, I hear you, but I'm not going to shout back. The truth is, emotional control is not for her, it's for you. It's your shield in a world that constantly tests your patience. And when she sees you master it, she respects you in a way words cannot describe. 3. The boundary of time and attention. This is the one boundary most men ignore until they're already drained. Your time is the most valuable thing you can give a woman, and that's exactly why it must be protected. When you give too much of it too early, without balance, she stops valuing it. Not because she's ungrateful, but because humans naturally stop cherishing what feels too available. A woman respects a man whose time isn't something she can just pull whenever she wants. A man who has a life outside the relationship. A man who doesn't drop his responsibilities just because she's upset or bored or lonely. When your entire identity becomes being there for her, you lose the very thing that made you attractive in the first place. She was drawn to your life, your rhythm, your purpose, your presence. And when you abandon all that for her, she starts feeling the weight of it. There's a moment I've seen happen in almost every unhealthy dynamic. The man gives too much time, too much attention, too much energy, and the woman starts feeling responsible for his joy. It's too heavy for her. She didn't ask for that. She wanted a partner, not a man who built his whole world around her. So your time must be given with intention, not insecurity. This boundary also means you don't tolerate being someone's emotional filler. If she only calls when she's bored, lonely, or needs validation, and you keep saying yes, you're teaching her that your time is cheap. A woman respects a man who knows when his time is being used and when it's being wasted. And he knows how to walk away from the second one. When you keep your life full, your goals, your friendships, your routines, she admires you. She sees that she has to rise to meet your world, not replace it. Time is a boundary that protects both your dignity and the relationship, and a woman respects the man who guards it wisely. 4. The boundary of communication standards. This one is uncomfortable but necessary. You teach people how to treat you by the way you allow them to communicate with you. A woman respects a man who doesn't tolerate disrespect, passive-aggressive comments, emotional manipulation, silent punishment, or conversations that cross lines. And this goes both ways. You can't give disrespect and expect respect back. You know how many women have told me, he's a great guy, but he lets me talk to him however when I'm upset, and it makes me lose respect for him. You'd be shocked. Women don't want a man who lets them be their worst selves. They want a man who brings them back to their best selves. Your boundary here is simple. You don't participate in toxic communication. If she raises her voice, you lower yours. If she insults, you step back. If she tries to punish you with silence, you calmly call it out. If she tries to control the conversation with dramatic behavior, you don't chase. You set the standard that communication must stay respectful, even during conflict. This boundary isn't about control. It's about emotional maturity. You're basically saying, I care about us, but I won't let either of us behave in ways that harm the connection. A woman respects a man who stays firm on communication, a man who walks away from disrespect but not from the relationship, a man who says hard truths but in a steady tone, a man who refuses to be pulled into emotional chaos. When you hold this standard, something amazing happens. She rises to match it. She becomes calmer. She becomes more conscious. She learns that she can express anything to you, but she can't disrespect you. And that balance builds trust, love, and deep respect. 5. The boundary of personal space and independence. This is the boundary women don't talk about, but they feel deeply. They respect a man who doesn't need constant closeness to feel secure, a man who can enjoy his own space without guilt, a man who doesn't get shaken when she needs time alone. In fact, women admire a man who can say, I need some time to myself, without acting strange or distant. Independence is not pulling away. It's the ability to stand strong with or without her. Women are drawn to men who can exist on their own. Men who have hobbies, passions, routines, a life that doesn't stop when she enters the room. Women want to feel chosen, not needed for emotional survival. When you give a woman the space to breathe, to miss you, to come back on her own, she respects you more. A man who guards his personal space doesn't let anyone cross boundaries that drain him. He knows when he needs rest. He knows when he needs silence. He knows when he needs solitude to regain clarity. And a woman respects a man who values these things because it shows emotional discipline. It shows self-awareness. It shows strength. Independence also protects you from becoming codependent because nothing kills attraction faster than a man who needs her approval for every decision. When you stand on your own 2 feet, she admires you. When you know who you are without her, she trusts you. When you don't depend on her for your entire emotional world, she respects you. 6. The boundary of non-negotiables. This is the most powerful boundary and honestly, the one most men struggle to keep. A non-negotiable is something you do not bend on, values you live by, standards you don't trade for temporary love or fear of losing someone. Women deeply respect a man who has non-negotiables, a man who knows what he stands for, a man who knows what he will accept and what he will not accept. You know why? Because a man with non-negotiables is a man with backbone. Maybe your non-negotiable is loyalty, maybe it's honesty, maybe it's the way you want to be spoken to, maybe it's consistency, maybe it's the way you expect problems to be solved, not ignored. When you stay firm on your non-negotiables, you're telling her, I don't break myself to be loved. And that is one of the most attractive things a woman can witness. A man with non-negotiables is not rigid. He's grounded. He's someone she can trust long term because his values aren't shaped by emotion. They're shaped by integrity. And women love men who stand for something real. If you're still here, it means something inside you knows these boundaries matter. Maybe you've given too much before. Maybe you've let someone cross your lines because you loved them. Maybe you forgot to choose yourself somewhere along the way. But that ends now. You're not here to chase respect. You're here to live in a way that earns it naturally. A woman respects a man who respects himself. And every boundary we talked about today is a step back toward that version of you. Hold them gently, but hold them firmly, because the moment you stand for yourself, the world stands differently around you. If this video helped you even a little, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to Psych Pathway. Your support helps this message reach the people who need it. And I'll see you in the next one, buddy.